clear out the jury. Let's bring back in National Trial Attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, I'm happy to be able to get your thoughts on where this trial has gone, because we have the defense wanting to bring in the claim of defense of others. There's been some very difficult details, information that's come out of this part of the trial, because the defense has said outside the presence of the jury, and it's on the record from other officials, a guardian ad litem for this child, that this mother allegedly was involved with the creation of child pornography that included her daughter. I mean, it's sickening to think about. And the judge isn't going to allow the jury to know anything about it. Your thoughts on whether or not Zachary Hughes should be able to talk about what was allegedly his motive for this killing?
1000% yes. I think it should have been admitted already. I think that this child was being used by her mother as some sort of a business venture, right? And I also thought that when the guardian ad litem testified, the way she testified, I think she opened the door to allow that in. First of all, I think it should have been let in from the beginning of the trial. Once it wasn't let in, when the guardian ad litem said that she had a great home, she was raised well, she opened the door for the defense. I thought surely the judge is going to allow it now, and the judge didn't allow it, which I thought was a gross mistake. Now it makes sense when they want to present the defense of others. I think, and he has to testify. Now the whole picture is laid out, right? The whole murder was macabre. She was stabbed multiple times, dozens of times. There's rose petals around her. Here's a Juilliard-trained pianist. His fingerprints are all over the door. His forensic DNA is all over the crime scene. And now he wants to testify, and they want to introduce this defense. Julia, 1000. I think if the judge doesn't allow it when Zachary Hughes testifies, I think this is like complete. It's going to come back at a boomerang from the appeals court.